Kiseng sain perthaya ke jelagi bekerjaan ya kesorgasan Rob Megalia Democratic Alliance MDA beralam khamat daka National People Party NPP kilapun pau bagi hun ban up suai ka kepon akan hun tokit halo ke jingken no babsap ya ke skim subhagya.
Ka meeting matasri kalong full meeting. We had a meeting today with all the party president, with the CM as chairman of the MDA. So we have discussed so many issues. There is a discussion with the visit of the Honorable Home Minister, and we have discussed about the this Sobakia scheme, and we have discussed with the social welfare and others important also. So that's all. We have discussed thoroughly with all the issue.
What have you expressed before the Chief Minister regarding these issues that you have mentioned just now?
No, we have discussed. Everyone has given their opinion, their view, and the chairman, the CM, has taken a note. So I think he will brief to the press also. That's all.
And from your party, your views?
Yeah, I have view with that agenda which has given to us. Agenda number 1 regarding with the visit of the Home Minister. Then number 2 relating with this Sobakia scheme, another thing with the MECL. Then number 3 with this boundary, interstate boundary dispute, and then social welfare and others important matters also.
So what is the stand of your party regarding this alleged a scam in the implementation of the Saubhagya scheme?
No, we have view our opinion, and CM has clarified that he has already constituted the inquiry committee, and they have given the time frame 3 months to table all the thing in the public domain. Let us wait, since he has clarified today that he has constituted inquiry. So we will wait for an inquiry committee to report us within 3 months.
So is BJP demanding for the removal of James Sangma or not?
No, that will live in the prerogative of the CM. We are not demanding anything.
Hashoban position in the 50th anniversary celebration, and they will resolve the issue at once and for all. We don't come to the number we need to Jinsan had to be time border, come up with a week was fine. But how would they want to Bandawaham to meeting her? Nicola John upon smoke, Mahomuania investigation come away, but if he was alleged, Moham Paul will stop over the CL of Pina Kalian Joa, Kalapan Paul, equal about free and fair inquiry, book investigation, the one crime, the one of shy, the one of code, Larangi, Laban Wing Sway,
Now what we can see is that there's a lot of demand for the CPI inquiry, no doubt. What we can see is that since we have already put up the inquiry, if we are not satisfied with the inquiry report, then only we can ask for the, let us go line by line, one by one. I think that will be better. You see now, since we have already put up since the government has already put up the inquiry committee, I think that will have the answer, because you just cannot pinpoint at one moment when the scam in one department, that means the whole department will have some kind of a failure. One minister cannot just eat the money, come on. It will be all the officers who will be involved. You got my point. Okay. Last time we have seen education scam, right? The few officers were terminated, I think terminated, no? Suspended, I think so, suspended. So that way it will come to the light. So right now, not only what I want is that not only this Sobagia, there are other any failed department, any scam department should come into the